Artificial intelligence is no longer a futuristic idea. It's already here, and in healthcare, it has turned out to be a powerful, disruptive force, fueling some of the most innovative diagnostic tools of today. So let's take a look at 7 examples where AI has started to transform healthcare. I'm Dr. Bertalan Mesko, and you're watching The Medical Futurist. Number 1. Detecting arrhythmias. Atrial fibrillation, or AFib, is a condition that can increase the risk of stroke, heart failure, and other heart-related complications. But until recently, it has been overwhelmingly difficult to deal with it, as it needs continuous ECG monitoring to provide data about heart rate and rhythm. But AI has already changed that with the appearance of digital health devices. For example, AliveCore's Cardia is an FDA-approved medical-grade ECG recorder that's the most sophisticated AI ever brought to personal ECG, according to the company. The Cardia algorithm doesn't just switch the point of care from the hospitals to wherever the patient is, but it runs pretty much invisibly in the background, analyzing readings on the go. Number 2. Emergency detection. AI has the potential to highly optimize patient pathways and even benefit nurses too. HCA Healthcare developed a predictive algorithm called sepsis prediction and optimization of therapy. It can continuously monitor patient data in hospitals to identify potentially impending sepsis cases. The algorithm is able to detect sepsis 6 hours earlier than clinicians, enabling the healthcare system to cut sepsis mortality rates by nearly 30%. Number 3. Seizure detecting smart bracelets. Epilepsy is the 4th most common neurological problem in the US, following migraine, stroke, and Alzheimer's disease. But wearable devices like the Empathicus AI-fueled wristband are designed to notify users and caretakers about a developing seizure. Clinical testing of Embrace yielded a 98% accuracy rate for detecting generalized tonic-clonic seizures. The long-term plan, of course, is to be able to predict seizures too. Number 4. Skin checking apps. Skin checking applications allow users to take pictures of their suspicious skin lesions, upload these pictures, and get the images evaluated by an AI algorithm. These algorithms work by comparing user images to vast databases, coming up with a preliminary diagnosis in just a few seconds. While dermatologists are still absolutely required for confirmed diagnosis, these applications are highly accurate and can detect skin lesions that could have been missed by the traditional healthcare process. Number 5. Stroke detection. The Wiz LVO app uses a deep learning algorithm to automatically detect stroke on CT imaging and alert on-call stroke specialists about potentially treatable patients. Since stroke is one of the most time-sensitive conditions in all medicine, this system is a game changer by cutting down several hours for patients to receive the care they need. In a study containing the largest health data dataset to date, Wiz LVO achieved 96% sensitivity and 94% specificity. Faster triage with this application enables the identification and treatment of more patients, which improves patient outcomes and reduces the chances of long-term disability. Number 6. Breast cancer detection. Breast cancer is one of the most prevalent cancer diagnoses for women, but deep learning models aiming to find early signs of the disease have been around for a good number of years now. Although we have not yet arrived to an all-encompassing solution, studies show that combining deep learning systems' predictions with human pathologists' diagnosis improves patient outcomes and alleviates at least some of the burden on radiologists when they need to make life-altering decisions for their patients. Number 7. Drug discovery. Advanced algorithms could fundamentally alter the traditional process of designing drugs too. AI could make drug development much cheaper and more effective by shortening the drug production cycle and helping out the pharmaceutical industry in finding new drugs without burdening clinical trials and accumulating costs. According to some estimates, it takes about 12 years and close to $3 billion for one single experimental drug to advance from concept to market. Recently, an advanced machine learning program from Alphabet's DeepMind has revealed 200 million proteins. This could speed the search for new medicines through 200 million. That's the difference AI can make. And examples like this are popping up everywhere in the healthcare landscape now, profoundly changing the way we can bring new solutions to our maladies. Of course, these are just a few exciting examples of how artificial intelligence can fuel the capabilities of healthcare professionals. There's still a long way to go and figure out how to further implement these algorithms, not only from the technological point of view, but also in terms of regulations. But what's clear is that AI already means a paradigm shift for medical professionals and patients alike, and it only just started. If you like this video, please subscribe below so you will get notified about all the videos we come up with. Plus, please check out the digitalhealthcourse.com, the platform where you can learn all the things around digital health and the future of healthcare.